Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I have been wanting to use these in a Gluebook page for a very long time. Not sure which one I want to use today, and I'm also not sure which background. I want to have a cute, like, summery, cheery background. I am starting my brand new notebook that I got from Five Below. I don't want the lines showing, so I want to cover them up with either this one or this one. And I'm leaning really more towards this. I thought this was going to be it, but I think it's going to be this one. We'll save this for another little summary page. And then I have to decide which one I want to use. And I have no idea yet which one, what I'm going to put with it either. So I think I'm going to use the polka dot one in this spread. And anyway, I hope you are doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And let's just kind of try to cut this paper so it'll fit right on here. Get my little tiny pencil here, my little vintage pencil, and I'm going to cut the paper on the lines. What have you been doing? My bleeding heart is just gorgeous, and if I remember, I'll put a picture in. It's much fuller this year, and I have some beautiful tulips that we forgot about. I'll take a picture of them too, actually. They're not open today, though, because it's kind of gloomy. It's been gloomy for a few days. But the new tulips look sort of like candy canes. I've never seen any like that before. At least not in real life. Maybe I have in pictures, but I don't remember. Okay, so this is going to go here. We're going to put this here. And also I did add my mother's diary pages to my Ko-fi page. So if you are interested in getting, I scanned them into my computer and made them available to you guys on my Ko-fi page. And they're free. So check that out. And I'm going to be putting some other things up that aren't going to be free too. So you might be interested in those. These are all vintage ephemeras passed down through the generations of my family to me. One of the things I'm going to be putting up is photographs of all my, well, not all my ancestors, but they will be, all the pictures will be my ancestors. Let's put it that way. Not all my ancestors' pictures. I've got lots. I could put more up, and some of them are people that I actually remember, like my grandfather and my uncle. My grandfather was born in like 1889 or something like that, and my uncle was born in 1917. And then my father came along in my father was born in 27, so my uncle was born in 1912. So, yeah, he was 15 years younger than my uncle. My father was 15 years younger than my uncle. So, that looks good. Now what? Let me see if I can find a cute person or animal, or both. So I have found a few things. I've got a bunch of flowers here for one thing, but this is what I've got so far. Should I use her or him? Now, I think he's very cute, but does he really go with this? I don't know. And he's got to be over there. So we could put like a flower behind him, or we could put a flower behind her I have to say I am kind of leaning towards her, even though I think he's really cute. And just putting some flowers around. I don't necessarily like that flower, though. I think I'd kind of rather have a pink flower. And I do want to fussy cut her out better. So I think I'm going to look for a pink flower. I do like that one. And see what I can come up with. I'm going to fussy cut her out. I did find this, but I think I want to use these two on a separate page. Like the big flower behind Oprah. I think that would be really cute. So anyway, let's find a pink flower that I can use behind her. I got tons and tons of flowers. Alright, so I believe this is what I'm going for. She is going to be kind of, sort of, in front of the cups. Her foot is in front of the cups. She's going to have this big flower behind her head. And then we're going to have a flower here. And I think that's fine. I think that's good. It's how I want it to be. So I'm going to put some glue on my flower first. Got to get all these little prongs and points and stuff without ripping them, hopefully. In the middle. And I believe this was going to be like right about here. Yep, that's good. Get it down. Oops, oops, a wrinkle. No wrinkles. No wrinkles or crinkles. And then we've got to put this one down next. If you see, there's like little lines here. But I'm not going to worry too much about them because you can't really see them that well. I could put a flower on each one. I was thinking about doing that, but I think it would be too much flowers, and then it will be too much flowers all in a row, besides too much flowers. You know, not randomly placed like would be natural to kind of randomly place them. Let's put this here. And now we'll get the lady on. She's doing her yoga. That's what I'm envisioning. She's doing her yoga. And, yeah. And she decided to have some ice cream and bring some to her friends. I know there are lots of people who make up lots better stories about their collages than me. But I'm getting there. I never used to make up any stories about them. So even just a little story like that is something for me. Alright, it's kind of chilly here today. How's it at your house? Oops, no, she needs to, her head to be right in the middle of the flower is how I want it. Alright. And then we're going to put this flower right here. And then we're done. Now I'm not doing every single page like what did I say there. I'm not going to do the back page. So what I am going to write the dates on them. And today is May 6th. And if I want to, I could write on there, you know. Hopefully I'll continue to write the dates neatly, which is not my forte. Is that even what that word means? Okay, so there it is, my little collage. My first summer collage, let's say. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will stick around and check out my other videos and come back. I'd love to have you. Thanks so much for watching my video. Bye-bye.